10th chapter, Applications of Derivative. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, part 10. Last part completed impounded 7 marks problem by using equation of the tangent and equation of the normal model. Today discuss one more impounded 7 marks repeated problem in IB examination. What is that first one? If the tangent at any point on the curve, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3 intersects the coordinate axis in A and B. Intersect the coordinate axis capital A and B. Then show that length of AB is a constant. Length of AB is a constant. See students, here first you can find equation of the tangent. That equation of the tangent intersect the coordinate axis A and B 2 points. First you can find the equation of the tangent. Before you can find the equation of the tangent, first you can find the slope of the tangent. Before you can find the slope of the tangent, first you can find the derivative of x with respect to x, dy by dx. That's why first of all we have to take equation x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. This is the given curve. Here take point px1 comma y1. Let px1 comma y1 any one point on the curve. Then this point compulsory satisfied curve. Correct or not? That's why you can write x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. This is equation number 2. The equation of the tangent curve is given, point is not given. You have to take point px1 comma y1. That the point satisfy the curve. After that, equation 1 derivative on both sides. In equation 1, derivative on both sides with respect to 2x, you get what? d by dx of x power 2 by 3 plus d by dx of y power 2 by 3 is equal to d by dx of a power 2 by 3. Here u power n formula, what is that formula? 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1. A derivative of x is 1. Here also be 2 by 3 into y power 2 by 3 minus 1 into derivative of y equal to a power 2 by 3 nothing but constant derivative equal to 0. That's why you can write here 2 by 3 into x power 2 minus 3 by 3. You have to take LCM here. Here 1 is there. Here also be 1 is there. Plus 2 by 3 into y power 2 minus 3 by 3 into derivative of y is dy by dx equal to 0. After that we can write 2 by 3 into x power 2 minus 3 how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 by 3 plus this value goes to here negative is equal to minus half. 2 by 3 into y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx. What is the value of dx? 2 by 3 get cancelled. X power minus 1 by 3 equal to minus y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx. What is the value of dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to you can have this value here. X power minus 1 by 3 by here minus you can write numerator into y power minus 1 by 3. See students, here minus is there, minus you can write numerator, denominator, that is also be minus. Here this denominator power having negative, this goes to numerator power having positive. This numerator power having negative goes to denominator power having positive. That's why interchange this two. You get what? dy by dx is equal to minus of y power 1 by 3 by x power 1 by 3. After that, slope of tangent formula. What is the formula of slope of tangent? Slope of tangent chemical coded formula is dy by dx at point px1 comma y1 or p any one point x1 comma y1 you can write x1 comma y1, a comma b any one you can write. Here point p is x1 comma y1, that's why you can write x1 comma y1. That's why you can write m equal to dy by dx value is minus y power 1 by 3 by x1 1 by 3 at a point P. P is what here? x1 comma y1. M equal to, you can write this one is minus y1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3. This is the slope of the tangent completed. Next you can find equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the tangent formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. In this equation of the tangent, point is x1 comma y1. Point is x1 comma y1. Slope m value is given this one. You can write these two values. You get what? Y minus y1 equal to m value. M value is minus y1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3 into x minus x1. After that, you can cross multiply this one. x1 power 1 by 3 into y minus y1 is equal to minus y1 power 1 by 3 into x minus x1. Understood or not, students? Understood or not? This way you can do this problem. After that, simplify this one. Y into x1 power 1 by 3 minus x1 power 1 by 3 into y1 is equal to minus y1 power 1 by 3 into x minus into minus plus x1 into y1 power 1 by 3. See students, here x1 y1 terms you can say one side, remaining terms another side. Here x1 y1 is there, here x1 y1. This value goes to here, this value goes to here. You get what students? Y into x1 power 1 by 3. This minus goes to here, plus y1 power 1 by 3 into x is equal to x1 into y1 power 1 by 3. This minus goes to that side, plus x1 power 1 by 3 into y1. After that we can write this one is x into y1 power 1 by 3 plus y into x1 power 1 by 3 equal to this x1 you can write. This x1 you can write. Suppose x1 nothing but x1 power how much? 1 is there. This 1 can be written as 3 by 3. 1 can be written as 3 by 3. 3 can be written as 1 plus 2. x1 power 1 plus 2 by 3. After that we can write x1 power 1 by 3 into x1 power 2 by 3. That's what you can write. This x1 power 1. This x1 power 1. You can write x1 power 1 by 3 into x1 power 2 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3. Similar you can write. Similarly, y1 power 1 you can write. y1 power 1 you can write. y1 power 1 by 3 and y1 power 2 by 3. That's why you can write y1 power 1 by 3 into y1 power 2 by 3 into x1 power 1 by 3. Understood or not, students? This x1 you can write in this way. This is a very important key point. After that, x into y1 power 1 by 3 y into x1 power 1 by 3 equal to 6 students. In this two term, x1 power 1 by 3 is there, x1 power 1 by 3 is there, y1 power 1 by 3 is there, y1 power 1 by 3 is there. You can write x1 power 1 by 3, y1 power 1 by 3, get common. Remaining what students? Remaining here x1 power 2 by 3 is there, here y1 power 2 by 3 is there. See students, x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3 value what here? What from equation number 2? What this value is? A power 2 by 3. That's why you can write x into y1 power 1 by 3, y into x1 power 1 by 3 is equal to x1 power 1 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 from equation number 2. From equation number 2, you can write this value is a power 2 by 3. Understood or not? In this way, you can do that total problem. This is very important repeated problem in IB examination. Here, y1 power 1 by 3 x plus y into x1 power 1 by 3 is equal to x1 power 1 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3. This equation dividing on both sides. Dividing on both sides, x1 power 1 by 3, y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3. You get what friends? You get what? y1 power 1 by 3 into x plus y into x1 power 1 by 3 over by x1 power 1 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 is equal to x1 power 1 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3 to a power 2 by 3. Here both sides dividing on in this term. You get this both are cancelled. Remaining what friends? y1 power 1 by 3 into x by x1 power 1 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 plus y into x1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 is equal to this value is 1. Here see students, x1 power 1 by 3, x1 power 1 by 3 get cancelled. y1 power 1 by 3, y1 power 1 by 3 get cancelled. Remain what? X by x1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 plus y by y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Here, this is what? This is x-intercept. This is what? X-intercept. This one is y-intercept. What is the value of x-intercept? X-intercept value is x1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3. Y-intercept is y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3. Why? Because this is the intercept form. This intercept form explained straight line chapter. This is intercept form, this is x-intercept and y-intercept. Here see students, the tangent any one point on the curve intersect the coordinate axis. Here coordinate axis how many is there? Two coordinate axis. One is x, another one is y. This is the coordinate axis. In this coordinate axis, suppose this is a P point, this is the curve. This curve is what? X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. This point is what here? P, x1 comma y1. Here, see student, this one is the tangent. This tangent intersect coordinate axis, but x-axis and y-axis, two different points A and B are given. Then the distance between AB is constant. This one is you can prove. See students, this curve name is what students? X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. See students, this is which triangle? Right angle triangles. Understood or not? AOB. Which triangle? Triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. Which triangle? Right angle triangle. The right angle triangle satisfies which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. What is the theorem? Hypotenuse scale, nothing but AB scale is equal to side scale OA scale plus OB scale. See students, here OA is called x-intercept. OA is called what? X-intercept. That's why x-intercept you can write OA, and OB is called y-intercept. This is y-intercept, this is x-intercept. You can write in place of OA x-intercept. What is that value? AB scale equal to x1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 whole square plus OB value is y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 whole square. That equal you can write separated x1 power 2 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 whole square nothing but 4 by 3, y1 power 1 by 3 whole square nothing but y1 power 2 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 whole square nothing but a power 4 by 3. In these two terms, a power 4 by 3 can come. Remaining what students? x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3 from equation number 2. x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3 value is a power 2 by 3. A power 2 by 3 from equation number 2. Which equation? From equation number 2. Here we can write bases are equal, power should be added. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 that equal a power 3 4 plus 2 that equal a power 6 by 3 3 1s are 3 2s are. You get what friends? You get what? A scale. This is the value of AB scale. AB scale value equal to A scale. Then AB value equal to AB value equal to A. Here A is what? Here A is what? A is a constant. Therefore AB is a constant. Then length of AB also be constant. That constant value is A. Understood or not? This problem is very important repeated problem in IPA examination students. Practice this problem perfectly. You get gunshot problem in IPA exam.